Mo nga, mga mata na lagi tang tanan, may pag di mo maguyab-uyab.
Hi guys, it's me again. Thank you so much for all the people who watched my videos, for all the likes and for all the shares and for the positive comments. Wag naman kita no sa internet no, nga di na tumalikayan ang mga negative nga comments, mga bashers. Guys, my next video is for you.
Asus! Hi, Malaya!
In Cebu, there are more than 1 million people. Ang uban, estudyante, ang uban, trabahante, ang uban, tambay, ang uban, keyboard warriors. So, unsa man gini mga keyboard warriors? Kani sila mo kusog kay mo comment online, mo like online, mo argue online, makigdebate online, mo pagawa silang gibati kaysa ilang mga kasakit online, manaway online, tanan, pero tanan, kuto brasad online. Number 1, the intellect. Give them enough time to obtain their business permits. A closure will only create suffering to the affected employees and not so much to the owner. You're only creating resentment to the affected employees who lost their jobs. But on the other hand, we should all know how to comply to prevent such disorganization among people. Enter. Number 2, the religious ones. Kung mahal mo si Lord, i-like mo ito. Like, if you love God, type Amen. Amen. Capital letter. The only answer to all these problems is love. Love one another because God is love. Enter. Number 3, the beast mode.
Pero ginuko ni mga bataan na! Mao na! Nagubuhubo mo, mga eskwela pa lang mong tarong para di mo maging anak. Kapoy-kapoy lang nagtrabaho ng mga ginikanan. Na, napay isa ay. Paano na lang problema? Si Tomas, imuhang kasangilan. Ikaw, magsugod ka sa mong kaugalingon kung ganahan kag pagbabago.
Enter. Number 4, the good soul. Hello, uy. Hindi maging anak. There are 2 sides to every story. Wait lang ta for more info, guys, para sure jud ta, di ta magpatakaw og storya. Never judge a person because you have no idea what that person is going through right now, right? Love, love, love. Enter. Number 5, the bring out the popcorn best in audience impact.
Na, uy, i-share yun ang problema sa Facebook. Uy, vlog sa daw sila.
Sad.
Mo nga, mga mata na lagi tang tanan, may pag di mo maguyab-uyab. Kaluoy sa kabang. Like, napoy sa...
Like,
Baloy kasi mong kabang!
so, pangutan-unta mo, asa man jud mo ato? Relate. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If naganahan na sad mo, please like and share it with your friends. And sa ako mga haters, kung naibog na muna ka after watching the video, please follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Hi Malaya. Laban!